Hello friends, this is a very new thing I just wanted to share with you all. So you can see an orange which is boiling in that. This is an orange. I allowed it to not to get spoiled but then dry, It dried off on the outer skin. Inside little bit it was still juicy. And this one I just I'm boiling it in the water. And this water is the best one for the face, morning. Once you get up, your face would have developed lots of uh, good texture, oils, everything on your face. With that, if you just allow this water to cool down, and then I have just poked this with knife, this I will just show you. Just I have a if you just check, you will understand. See, I'm just poking it, like this. I have poked with this in many places so that now the essence of the citric acid from inside as well as the skin, which is the most important one, because which can help in the development of estrogens, and then very good for health. That is especially the skin. Can be extracted out of that. Nicely boil and then allow it to nicely give out all the essence out of it, and allow that to be inside itself, and then we can store it. After that, you have to just now I'm putting it in simmer. Let it boil for another 5-10 minutes, and then nicely when the water reduces, you will see the light orangish or yellow color, and that you can just store it in the fridge. Use daily after getting up from the bed. After brushing, you will wash your face with plain water, no soap or anything. Then after that, you just apply that till you are going to take bath. It can dry, and then let it be like, it will be little bit sticky, like that. It has got that nature of the citric acid, and then the essence which is found on the skin, all that, that will add to a sticky thing on the face. Just the water you will apply, but then it will have the texture. And then after that, don't apply, no need for any face wash or anything. Just wash it with plain water, and you will get a very beautiful skin. Thank you.